What is up? It's your boy and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. Today I got a fun one. We're gonna be letting Sandy drive the Tacoma. Not by choice, she kind of beat me to the seat, but I decided to quiz her, to ask her some questions about the truck, to get her opinion on what she actually thinks. So I'm gonna be asking her about our previous truck, this truck, what she thinks of this truck, what she thinks about our very old 4Runner. A lot of people don't know, but we actually had a 4Runner back in the day. I think this video will be super fun. I haven't really got her opinion, not even in private, what she thinks about it. So should be cool, should be interesting. And if you like these type of videos, which, I mean, I guess it's a good thing, but seems like a lot of you guys do, with Sandy, let me know down below in the comment section. Leave a like for Sandy, leave a like for me, so that means 2 likes. But if you double tap the like button, then you unlike it. So give a 3rd like for the Tacoma, or just like it once, that works as well. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so first question, do you like how this truck drives?
Yes.
Do you like the ride of this truck versus our previous truck?
So much better.
Why do you say it's better?
Because on the bumps, like on every little bump on the old truck, it was like,
yeah, that's true.
So like harsh. Here it's more like bouncy, like smooth. I don't know if it's all in my head.
No, it's definitely not all in your head. Okay. I too, like, that's why, remember when we first took it off the lot, like when we went to test drive it? Mm-hmm. That's what I liked about it, that it felt like we didn't need a chiropractor. Oh, look at that.
Woo! See? You felt that?
What?
Like how bouncy that was?
Yeah, it was very bouncy.
In the other truck, like, we would have been like, boom.
We're almost at 3,000 miles in this truck. In a month, that is pretty good for us. I think that is really, really good that we haven't hit like 5,000 to 6,000 miles yet, but I'm sure it'll come with time. All right, 3rd question. Are you against us lifting this truck?
No, I'm not against us lifting it. I like the truck being taller.
If you had to choose between all the colors that we had, so we had a white, we had another white, and then we had quicksand and voodoo blue, which color are you taking?
For me, I would take the quicksand.
Yeah.
But for you, I would take the voodoo blue.
Yeah, blue was always my, like, the color I wanted since, like, when we first got out of high school and we were about to buy our first vehicle, I wanted a blue car. Yeah, the voodoo blue is so perfect for me, but I feel so bad because Sandy, Sandy, quicksand.
It was perfect.
Yeah, it was perfect. We definitely missed out there.
Now what do we do?
All right, so right now that there's not a lot of traffic, if you had to choose as your mom-mobile, you taking the Corolla or the Tacoma?
Is safety a concern?
All the time. Okay,
then Tacoma.
You would take the Corolla and what?
If it wasn't for safety, I would take the Corolla.
Why?
Because I like my trunk better. I don't like I thought I was gonna like the crate thing, but I don't like how I can't just slide it in. So this is what she's talking about. Whenever you push it back, it gets caught on these grooves here and it doesn't go because, well, it's literally made to stop things from slipping. So you kind of have to like wiggle it around. It's a double-edged sword, I guess you could say. Do you feel like this truck is underpowered? No. I'm glad it doesn't have too much power. If you think about it, all we do with this truck is go out and make videos and like run small errands and go out to eat. Yeah. So these videos aren't even public on YouTube anymore. That's how long ago these videos were made. We used to have a 4Runner. Okay, do you think the suspension was worse in the 4Runner or this? 4Runner, awful, awful.
Okay, so it doesn't help that we had like 22-inch wheels. These are 16s. We had 22-inch chrome wheels on the 4Runner with the smallest of smallest tires. Was the 4Runner worse than the quicksand?
Yeah, suspension wise, yes. All
right, so now I'm driving and I have a few more questions for you, okay, babe? What is like the 3 things that you dislike the most about the truck?
I hate how slow it takes off. Driving wise, I think that's the only thing I don't like about it. I can't explain it. It like sounds like it's like struggling a little bit. I don't know what else I dislike about it other than that. I like everything about it.
Well, that's good. So I try to give her 3 things that she disliked, but only 1. Okay, I guess 3 things that you like about this truck.
I like having a bed. Or what do you guys call it?
Yeah, this is a truck bed.
I like having the truck bed. I like that we're tall.
Yeah.
And I like the color.
For me, is the same thing, because like if we're out and about, like with just like right now's lineup, you feel kind of uncomfortable because you're small. You're up against like really big cars, just for our safety. I guess because we've been in car accidents before. Having that sense of security and safety with the bigger truck, that's why I feel a lot better. All right, so that concludes the drive. I hope you guys did enjoy. I tried to ask the most generic questions that I could come up with at the moment, at the time of recording. But if you guys want to see a part 2 of this, let me know down below. Ask her the questions that you wish I would have asked her. Try to keep it PG-13. I guess to conclude this interview, Miss Sandy, what do you think? Would you buy this Tacoma again?
Yes.
Do you think we made a mistake not getting a TRD Pro?
No.
Are you okay with me trading it in for a new Tundra?
No.
That's enough. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. I had a lot of fun making this video. It was kind of on the spot. We were going to have my birthday dinner, lunch, breakfast thing. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.
I like hearing that because it means we're leaving.